Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, certainly some updates here need to be made. And really, the updates are really just kind of adjustments. And the first adjustment is I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level down. Now that we have more data, it's quite apparent that the key area of support is actually at 27 cents. And I say that because this was a former area of resistance, and there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken, which it was broken right there, they tend to act as support. And that's exactly what's been going on. It actually acted as support right there. Then this morning, acted as support a whole bunch of times. So 27 cents, like I said, seems to be that more accurate area of support. So watch that from the support side of things. On the flip side of things, 32 cents remains public enemy number one as far as the resistance levels are concerned. So keep an eye on that. But with the final 30 minutes showing some downwards momentum there, not a whole lot. It's not like, volume was massive or anything like that. Actually a very small volume bar, but it was still, some downwards pressure there. So in my mind, the first kind of priority going into Thursday is not necessarily, getting up there and breaking through 32 cents. It's more so just ensuring that this the last 30 minutes today, isn't the start of something bigger to the downside. And then from the overarching standpoint, which I know I talked about in Tuesday's video, remains that purple line right there, which is the overarching trend indicator, the famous 50-period simple moving average. So as long as the price is up above that level, then, generally speaking, the trend is still in the bull's favor. I mean, there is a little bit of perspective that goes into that. I mean, if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 7 minutes, well, then from that point of view, yeah, you really don't want to see the price and you don't really care necessarily about that move, trend line right, or not the trend line, but the trend indicator, the 50-period moving average. But overall, sure, it got a little wishy-washy today, but the trend is still in the bull's favor with those higher bases. So let's see if the bulls can continue to build upon it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.